Now, still in the mind, deeper down in the mind, you really see, not only from colonization, but how religion plays such an important life. I mean, probably everywhere, but here in Catholic Latin America, this mind has become a symbol of Catholicism that was brought by the colonizers. Now, as we mentioned before, did the conquistadores come here and create this salt mine for religious reasons or to extract resources? But you see how important Catholicism is to Latin America. They literally have a church deep down in this mine, and it's going on right now. That's a church in a mine. That's absolutely amazing. And you see that, like, even in Bolivia today, after they overthrew Evo Morales, and of course the US government supported the overthrow, he was indigenous. One of the rallying cries of the religious leaders was to bring back the Bible to Bolivia, because Evo Morales was indigenous. So the question is people believe in religion all over the world, but do we use sometimes religion to exploit people? Do we use religion to basically expand our own interests, like the conquistadores, or what's going on now in Myanmar with the Buddhists against the Muslims, or Muslims, Shia versus Sunni? Religion, here we are deep down, I don't know how far underneath the earth, but in a mine, and religion is playing a massive role. Here we are in Colombia, the salt mine, very famous place. If you come here, take a train to come here. Very interesting. If you get a chance, take a look at it. But this shows the importance of religion, particularly Catholicism, which is being challenged by other, remember, in Latin America. You have Mormonism, Pentecostalism, evangelicalism, baptism. All the religions now are challenging Catholicism within Latin America. So the question is, what's the role? Now you can see mezquitas, mosques in Latin America. But it's still, regardless of what religion you are, Christianity, particularly Catholicism, although being challenged by different variants of Protestantism, is a major force within Latin America and the world in general. Religion plays an important role in politics, from expansion, resources, competition, spirituality, etc. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, even though you might not be able to hear everything. But this is an amazing mine, deep. Look, they even put a chandelier in a mine. Deep under the earth, in the salt mine in Colombia.